have already learned about the sentence and its various kinds in great detail. So today we'll revise all of these kinds together. So let's get started. Do you remember what a sentence is? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself and does not depend on another word or group of words to do so. It has a subject and a predicate. We know the predicate contains the verb. It can be a statement, a question, an exclamation, or a command. It always begins with a capital letter and ends with either a full stop or an exclamation mark or a question mark. Now we have learned that there are 4 kinds of sentences based on their meanings. What are they? The declarative or the assertive sentence, the imperative sentence, the exclamatory sentence, and the interrogative sentence. Let us look at an example of each kind. It is very hot today is a declarative or assertive sentence. Don't touch the pan when it is hot. This is an imperative sentence. It is too hot to play outdoors is an exclamatory sentence, and isn't it very hot today is an interrogative sentence. So what are the different meanings conveyed by these sentences? Let us look at each in detail. When I say it is very hot today, I make a simple statement or I state a fact. So declarative or assertive statements make a simple statement or state a fact or an opinion. Now let us look at what an imperative sentence implies. When I say don't touch the pan when it is hot, I am expressing a command or a request. So imperative sentences express a command or a request. It is too hot to play outdoors is an exclamatory sentence because it expresses a strong feeling. It is too hot to play outdoors. But if I say, isn't it very hot today? I am asking a question, and so this sentence is an interrogative sentence. Now you will notice that each of these sentences start with a capital letter, but they end with different punctuations. A declarative or assertive sentence always ends with a full stop. An imperative sentence ends with a full stop here, but at times it can also end with an exclamation mark. An exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark, and an interrogative sentence always ends with a question mark. Now let us do lots of exercises regarding the identification of these sentences. You have already learned that all these kinds of sentences can have a positive as well as a negative meaning. But only in case of declarative or assertive sentences, we give a special name to a positive meaning sentence and a negative meaning sentence. A positive meaning declarative sentence is known as an affirmative sentence, and a negative meaning declarative sentence is known as a negative sentence. Now let us do lots of exercises regarding these. Identify the type of sentence. I will not tolerate this behavior. Now this sentence is expressing a fact or an opinion of a person. So this sentence is a declarative sentence, but this sentence has the word not included in it. So this is a negative sentence. Identify the type of sentence. Never speak to me like that again. So what do you understand when you read this sentence? Is it stating a fact or an opinion? Never speak to me like that again? No, this is stating a command. So this sentence is an imperative sentence. Now can you identify the type of this sentence? Where have you kept my files? Now this sentence is asking us a question and it is ending with a question mark, as we can see. So this sentence is an interrogative sentence. Identify the type of sentence. The car is rolling off the cliff. Now this sentence has a lot of emotion attached to it. The car is rolling off the cliff. So this sentence is an exclamatory sentence and we see that it ends with an exclamation mark. Why have you not completed your homework? Now this sentence is asking a question. Why have you not completed your homework? So what kind of sentence is this? Notice that it is ending with a question mark. So this is an interrogative sentence. You will also notice that the word not is included in this question. So this is an interrogative sentence with a negative meaning. The family is driving to the beach for the long weekend. What do you understand when you read this sentence? Is it giving a command? No. Is it asking a question? No. This sentence is stating a fact. The family is driving to the beach for the long weekend. So this sentence is a declarative sentence. Now this declarative sentence is giving us a positive meaning. So it has a special name. What is it? It is an affirmative sentence. I love the beach, but I hate the sand in my shoes. So what kind of a sentence is this? Is this an interrogative sentence? No, it does not ask any question. Is this an imperative sentence? No, there is no command or request associated with this sentence. So what kind of a sentence is it? Now this sentence is just stating a fact. So this is a declarative sentence, and this declarative sentence gives us a positive meaning. So this is also an affirmative sentence. So now that we have done in great detail the various kinds of sentences based on their meanings, you should have no confusion when you are given a sentence to identify what type it is. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com or download the DeltaStep app to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStation, iPad, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So learning at Delta Step is not just fun and easy, it is also rewarding. So register for free now.